In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to open or create a document, rename it, format your text, use a few powerful tools like live word count, voice typing, and charts from Google Sheets, and finally, how to save and export your work. Let's start by opening or creating a doc. You have two simple options. If you're already in Google Drive, click New. Then choose Google Docs to start a blank document or a template. If you prefer going directly, open your browser and go to docs.google.com, then create a new document from there. Either way, your doc opens in a new tab ready for you to type. Before you dive in, rename it so it's easy to find later. At the top left, click the title that says Untitled Document. Type a clear name that describes your project and press Enter. That name is what you'll see in Google Drive. Next, let's format your text. The toolbar at the top controls how everything looks. Highlight the text you want to change, then pick a font and adjust the size to make headings or body text stand out. Use the color picker to change text color, and the B and I icons for bold and italics. For structure, add bullet or numbered lists to organize ideas, and use the alignment buttons to set text left, center, right, or justified. A quick tip: apply consistent formatting to headings and paragraphs to keep your document clean and professional. Now for a few advanced tools that can really help. To keep track of your writing, go to Tools, Word Count, and turn on Display while typing. You'll see a live counter so you can monitor words and characters as you go. If you prefer dictation, choose Tools, Voice Typing. Click the microphone that appears, allow microphone access if prompted, then speak clearly to dictate your text. Click the mic again to stop. Working with data? You can add charts directly from Google Sheets. Go to Insert, Chart, and choose From Sheets. Pick the spreadsheet and the chart you want and insert it. The chart stays linked, so if the data changes in Sheets, your chart in Docs can stay updated. Finally, saving and exporting. Google Docs auto-saves your work to Google Drive as you type, so you don't need to press Save. When you're ready to share a copy, go to File, Download, and choose the format you need, like PDF or Microsoft Word. That's it. Open or create your doc, rename it, format cleanly, use word count, voice typing, and linked charts, and export when you're done. You're ready to work smarter in Google Docs.